Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. Apple just announced another massive push to expand domestic production and avoid future tariffs, adding to its already enormous U.S. manufacturing footprint.
You what?
Wall Street approved, Apple stock jumped midday, and Trump prepped for another ribbon-cutting photo op. Meanwhile, every iPhone part that used to come from Asia is supposedly being made right next door, or so they'd like you to think. It's tech's version of diversifying the supply chain.
I like that idea very much.
Apple's saying made in USA, but let's be honest, it's still designed to make your wallet cry. Microsoft is making unprecedented capital investments, with Amazon and Google not far behind.
Wonderful.
The total spending rivals national budgets, signaling that AI is no longer just hype. It's a full-scale industry shift. Meanwhile, Palantir has secured major government contracts across defense, healthcare, and finance, locking in the enterprise AI lead.
I didn't see that coming.
Palantir's new deal is basically saying, trust us, we've got your secrets and your taxes. Anthropic quietly snuck past OpenAI to grab 32% of the enterprise LLM market share, up from a trailing position just weeks ago.
Want to know how they did it or not?
Enterprises are flocking to Claude models for their transparency, code-friendly reliability, and compliance features. OpenAI used to hold half the market but is now trailing, and the boardroom gossip says some execs just found new seats at Anthropic.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Anthropic's climbing faster than an elevator inside a rocket, and OpenAI is stuck on floor 0. OpenAI's ex-CTO Mira Murati launched Thinking Machines Lab in early 2025 and raised a staggering $2 billion seed round.
That is a lot of money for a kid like you, all right?
With investors like NVIDIA and AMD on the cap table, this firm is using ex-OpenAI brains to challenge OpenAI's throne. Obviously, the name is a flex. Yes, I thought it, and yes, I built it. It's Silicon Valley's version of break up and poach the team.
Silicon Valley glamping expedition.
When your ex takes half your team and all your algorithms, you know you're doing something right. Microsoft's latest Windows 11 update is basically a tech makeover with a side of therapy.
Unprocessed trauma.
There's now an AI assistant in settings that understands plain English, click-to-do tools in Teams, and even quick machine recovery, so it can remotely diagnose your PC like a long-distance doctor.
I'm finally in control of things again.
Windows AI now knows you're frustrated before you do and says, maybe reinstall Windows? Former Google exec Mo Gaudat warns AI could trigger 15 years of chaos starting 2027, mass job loss, soaring inequality, and social unrest.
What I'm about to tell you sounds crazy.
Unless we bring in universal basic income and serious regulation. After that, maybe a 2040 utopia where we're no longer robot sidekicks. So AI hell first, paradise later. Until then, enjoy the memes. Mo Gaudat's idea of optimism is hoping the AI apocalypse at least has good Wi-Fi. Quantum computing stocks are still deep in the loss column, even as revenue climbs and big tech players like Amazon buy in.
That is very sad to hear, Madeline.
Analysts say the sector could hit the big leagues in just a few years. D-Wave and Rigetti had mixed results, but investor buzz is strong. The UN has even declared 2025 the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. Translation, time to party like Schrodinger's cat, half alive, half broke.
I'm gonna go broke about 2:30 this afternoon.
Quantum computing, where money goes to disappear into parallel universes. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.